So, hello friends, this is Abhishek Jagaddev, also known as Mighty Abhishek, as you are watching this video in this channel. So, today I have come up with a very interesting topic. It's about self-care. So, you should watch this video, and if you like this video, then do subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Yeah, the link will be in the description box below. Yeah, so let's start the video. Yeah, so point number one, if it feels wrong, then don't do it. Yeah. So in our day-to-day lives, we come up with various solutions, various problems, various circumstances. All right, and we have to make choice. Yeah, we need to take a right decisions. Always we have to take a right decision. That is what we are taught about in our school, in our life. So we're bound to take a right decision. Sometimes the decision may be wrong, yeah, but if you do get an option to choose between a right decision and wrong decision, always choose the right decision. Don't ever choose the wrong decision, because it may bring you peace, but the other person will definitely suffer from it. So just don't do the or don't take the wrong decision. All right. Yeah. So point number two is say exactly what you mean. When you're dealing with people, just be at the real you, because people will appreciate it. Don't beat around bushes. All right, whatever you want, whatever you need, just say it on their face. It may hurt them, but it's the truth. So you should always do that. Always stick to the point. Always know what you want to say and what you want to hear. All right, if the other person is doing it, then you have to wait for long, because he's playing the cards or she's playing the cards, but you know what you are up to. So just stick to the point. Yeah, keep it short and simple. Yeah, so the next point is very simple yet very complicated. It's just that trust your instincts. They say the trust your gut feeling. That is what it is. Just trust your instincts, because they can't go wrong. They will 1% or 2%, but 99% of the time they're correct. So you need to trust your instincts, because the inner self will tell you what is right, what is wrong. The inner self will show you the way, where you should head and where you should move on in the life. If your inner self is telling you it's the right thing to do, then do it. If you get 1% backlash that don't do it, then just rip it off. Just break everything and move ahead. Okay? Trust your instincts. Always you need to trust your instincts, because they're there for a reason. So the next point is never speak bad about yourself, you know, because you are your own motivator. All right, it's just that you have come so much far in your life. You have invested so much time, so much money, so much energy working on yourself. So just why to demotivate yourself in front of everyone? Because deep inside you have worked hard. So sense nahi banta. So just don't put yourself down in front of anyone. Just don't demotivate yourself. All right, always speak positively about yourself, because in the long run it will only help you. All right, and people will see your potential about it. So just stay positive. So the next point is don't afraid to say no. Yeah, you can say no. Always you can say no. You have that option about choosing a yes or a no. You see, if you are finding yourself uncomfortable around people, you can't blame it then, because they have asked you if you want to join or not. So just say no. If you are feeling bad, if you're having a bad day, just say no. Take your time. All right, take your time to heal yourself. Just say no. Otherwise, see, saying no is very hard at the moment, but you should always say no if you're not feeling about going out, going to a party, if you need some time alone, if you need some time for yourself. Because when you're alone, you think so many things. All right, that is how our system is. And if in that middle of thinking, if someone asks you to come out, hang with them, so that they can share their problems with you, see, if you want, you can do it. If you don't want, then just don't. All right, it will be hard for them to hear, but it will be easier for you to heal. So just say no whenever you can. All right, it is beneficial for you in the long run. Yeah, so the last point and the most important point, let go of what you can't control. Just let go. See, there are certain things which you can control and certain things you can't control. You can never control them, but you think about them and you make your mental peace hamper. All right, We call that overthinking, we call that feeling too much, but just don't do it, because you know nothing is going to happen outside, it's going to cause a havoc in your head. Alright, so just let go of the things which you can't control. I know it is easier said than done, because it's a part of ourselves. We think how we can help, we think how we can prevent such things, but we can't. What is going to happen, it will already happen, or it is going to happen. Alright, sometime or the other it is going to happen, because the person whom we are thinking about, they haven't thought this through. Alright, so if you want to help them, you help them in every way, but don't overthink. You should do it. Alright, if you think about thinking your friends, your family, you should just help. Alright, if you can't control it, then you can't control it, it's just that. Alright, let go of the things which you can't control. So if you watch this video till the end, then do like this video, share it with your family and your friends, subscribe this channel, don't forget to subscribe, so that I can bring you more interesting topics like this, and follow me on Instagram. Yeah, so thank you and have a great day, great life. Enjoy.